This is absolutely amazing. We looked, all over the internet. We had found another company, and my wife just wasn't sure, about it. So she got digging some more and is like, hey, I like this product. We can have customers out here now, rain nor shine, snow, cold weather, it doesn't matter. So before we used to use umbrellas. We had umbrellas which took up a lot of space with the big bases of them. The issue that we had is with, an average wind, it was moving an umbrella all over the place. Customers were getting wet. With this case, we don't have any problem. Nobody gets wet anymore. Nobody has to leave the area when it's raining. They just remain calm. We've already watched the weather. We know what's going on. Now we close the roof prior to the rain showing up, and they don't even realize it's like sitting in their own home. This past weekend, we had a really heavy rain. Had some customers dining in this area here, and the rain was coming down so hard and it was coming on an angle. It was, trying to blow in on its customers. We just hit the remote, we closed the windows, not one problem. The strength of the product, the quality of the product, the thickness of the aluminum, that's things that I like. So at nighttime with this product, as you can see, we have, our lighting. We can change our lights, we can brighten our lights, we can dim our lights, we can change the lights with different colors. We can open the roof at nighttime so people can see different things. They can see if it's a full moon, they can see the moon, if it's stars. The sky's the limit with this product. We can do everything that we wanted to do and that we had planned to do with this type of outside patio.